U.S. President Joe Biden unveiled a new $2.5 billion military aid package for Ukraine. The new aid includes air defense munitions, counter-drone munitions, ammunition for the high-mobility artillery rocket systems, anti-tank weapons and artillery munitions. Ukraine has announced successful trials of an advanced interceptor drone developed by German manufacturer Titan Technologies. The drone is developed to intercept drones and enemy reconnaissance UAVs. It is capable of reaching speeds of up to 300 km per hour and covering a range of 20 km. South Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI) has announced a significant milestone with deal to supply Korean utility helicopters Surian, worth $93.7 million to Iraq. The Surian is a medium utility helicopter designed to perform a range of missions, including air assault, cargo airlift and troop transport. The Japanese cabinet has approved the purchase of 6 VBAT unmanned aerial vehicles. The vertical takeoff and landing drones will be deployed on the service's patrol vessels to enhance the surveillance and intelligence gathering capabilities of Japan Maritime Self-Defense Forces surface vessels.